A typical Whizbang cider press has a few common features such as a wood press frame and a car jack for applying pressure. Our take on this design includes a food-grade plastic bucket and a rimmed baking pan or cookie sheet for catching and funneling juice. Other things you'll need include mesh paint strainer bags and round discs for layering in the bucket. We made ours out of thick plastic cutting boards. You'll also want large pots or bowls, a wooden stick or spoon, a large scooping utensil, and knives and cutting boards. Our unique take on this press is the garbage disposal grinder. It is made from a heavy metal mixing bowl, a wooden stool, a PVC pipe for the drain, a wired on-off switch, and a high-powered garbage disposal. Once you have your press and grinder, the next step is to gather your apples and rinse them with clean water. Halve or quarter your apples so that they fit in the garbage disposal, and grind them up. Carefully transfer your mash to the press bucket. First, line the bucket with a paint strainer bag. Next, carefully scoop the mash into the strainer. Twist the top of the bag to seal it. Top the bag with a round disc. Repeat this process one or more times until your bucket is about a third to a half full. Top with a final disc. Next, fit the jack into the frame and carefully depress it to apply pressure to the mash. The resulting cider is ready to drink. To find similar building plans for the press we made, search for Whizbang Cider Press. When selecting a garbage disposal, choose one that is 3/4 of a horsepower or higher. Because of the fine grind, you can expect to get about 1 gallon of cider for every 15 pounds of apples. If you want to reuse the paint strainers for the following year, be sure to clean and dry them well before storing them. After you've pressed all the liquid out of the mash, you can use the result in your compost bin. Canned cider is shelf-stable and makes great gifts. Refer to your canning guide for instructions.